Meet Ben. His tutorial class got cancelled at the last minute. Now meet a team. It needs more people to start a game of Frisbee in Newtown. Our solution? Instant Beat. Instant Beat allows users to create their own event on the go, and it's so simple. When a user is near an event, he will be notified and the event will appear on his event feed. Ben sees the event posted by the Frisbee team. He joins them by beating the event. Now Ben is off to join the Frisbee team and the team has sufficient members to start a game. After the game, they're all really thirsty and hungry. They check Instant Beat for meal promotions nearby. The team grabs their Subway meal at a promotional price easily as they are in the vicinity. Instant Beat. Don't plan, don't search, be spontaneous.
Created using Powtoon.